Wow, it is so hot in Las Vegas right now. I got to show you today what 115, 120 degree weather does to your rag top on your Spitfires. Bear with me a second. Take you off the tripod. Check this out. Look at this. Look what the heat does. All the glue comes unloose. Comes unglued. Rips out. Back window. Glue is out. I've got it unzipped, but as you can see, this all came apart. Look at this mess. Oh man. Sad part is the top is in perfect condition. But all this glue came loose, so now I got to figure out how to fix all of that, or do I just replace the top altogether? Very interesting. Boy, that just breaks my heart, because this top is only 2 years old. I just put it on not too long ago, or so it seems. But other than a few stains, I guess I'll figure it out. Anyway, if any of you out there have had the same situation, let me know what you did to fix yours. Can this be actually stitched? Can I take the top off and re-glue it and then actually stitch it to fix all of this? Huh. I don't know. Well, that's Las Vegas heat.